Do you ever find yourself during your research with a trending phrase or a popular quote, and you can clearly see that there's good BSRs, there is recently posted listings, and there is potentially because all the designs look pretty much the same, but you're stuck because you're not sure how to kind of come up with a creative style right here. So let me show you a simple hack with Gemini that will make this super easy for you. First off, I'm going to open up one of these on Amazon just so I can quickly copy the phrase from the title. I'm friendly, but my wife isn't. Don't touch. I'll copy this right here, and then I'll hop over to Gemini to my text t-shirt prompt generator. This is a custom gem that I built. It's kind of like a custom GPT, and all you have to do is just paste your phrase, change this to pro mode, and then hit submit. And within literally 10 seconds, this is spitting out t-shirt ready prompts with different styles and your phrase of choice inside it. So let me copy some of these into a new chat and get them generated. The first result is this right here. I'm friendly, my wife isn't. It didn't add the don't touch down below, but still, this looks really, really cool. Amazing style right here. Popular groovy t-shirt design. And the next one is kind of a circular badge type. I'm friendly, but my wife isn't. Don't touch, very big in the middle. I like that. And the phrase is repeated down here, which is not a problem. Then next up, we've got kind of the classic retro sunset style. I'm friendly, but my wife isn't. Don't touch. In this swirl down here, that is pretty cool. And next up, a bit simpler. Kind of this blocky white box layout with a very high contrast and the black font. Also quite like that. Cool design. And lastly, we've got another one in kind of a floral style, a bit more feminine here. I'm friendly, I am as twice, but my wife isn't. Don't touch. So except for that little detail right there that we need to fix, we've very quickly, within literally 1 or 2 minutes, gotten 5 new designs in different styles for that trending phrase. It was super easy, and it's also super easy to set up a gem like this yourself. But before I show you how to do this, let me show you where I learned this method, which is this channel right here. It's called Niche Police, and it will be linked in the description. Definitely go subscribe to this man. He's got some really good content on how to come up with gems, how to create AI designs more easily, and how to find niches. And fun fact, this is actually one of the best performing members from Merch Mastermind, my school community, and I'm really glad to see him starting a YouTube channel and sharing some of his knowledge, because he's been able to grow his sales a lot on his Amazon merch account over the past 6-7 months since he joined. Little inside joke there, but yeah, definitely check him out. He's got 318 subscribers at the time of recording, so I'm really curious to see how high we can get this number after this video's gone live. Show him some love, and let me show you now how to create a gem like this so you can customize it to your own liking and kind of focus on the styles that you like the most. So you need to head back to Gemini and first of all give it some t-shirt design style. So in my case, I actually collected them in a PDF. I'll show it right here, and this is just 5 different text-based styles, and I found some of these screenshots I think on Amazon or Flying Research, and I just categorized them into vintage, floral, groovy, etc. right here. You can collect whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be 3 designs each. It could just be 1 each and a longer list of 10 different design styles if you want, but you need to have some visual references right here. And then the idea is you drop that file, in my case it's a PDF, you drop that file into Gemini, and you're going to say describe each of these design styles with more than 100 words each. Change this to Pro again and then hit submit. And after about 10-15 seconds, it is going to output the styles right here in a text format. Highly descriptive and highly useful, because we can now just copy all of this right here, wait for it to finish, and then we'll copy this into another PDF, which is going to look something like this right here. And this will be our style guide for the knowledge base of our gem. So you can see right here, we've got all the text pasted, and I'm now going to head into my Gemini menu to the gems section right here. Then you need to click on new gem. Then you need to give it a relevant name up here, and you need to give it some instructions as well. I pretty much just used the exact same instructions that were discussed on the channel I just showed you, niche please. So I will leave these in the description so you can copy and paste them easily into your gem as well. And then the last step is the knowledge base this is where you want to add the file that you just created as your style guide for the prompts right here. And this is basically it. Now you can hit save and you can open up this gem from your menu on the left hand side, or you will always find it in the actual gem section over here. You can right click on any of these and pin them, and of course I'll have a link to my gem that I demoed at the beginning of the video in the description down below as well. So that's it for now. Please comment gem down below to let me know that you made it until the very end, and if you want to learn how to use Nano Banana Pro for free, then just check out this video next, where I show you a tool that also gets rid of this super annoying Gemini watermarks.